I'm just gonna do my YouTube intro, okay? So, hey Parallelabites, how's it going? It's your favorite YouTuber here. No, I was joking. Yeah, that's... They love it. Oh. So I decided to do a 3-car overtake yesterday, and my clutch slipped into a lower gear while I was doing it, and I absolutely shat myself. I think it was like I was in 4th gear overtaking, and then it dropped into 3rd. Fancy a bit off-roading, do you? Oh. Hello. Oh, that is very nice. Fuck. Jeez. I had a massive fly just fly into my helmet, so I had to naturally punch myself in the face. Alright. No can do. So, me and Anna did possibly the nerdiest thing we've ever done last night. Thank you. We were playing Rust and listening to the Fellowship of the Ring audiobook. So it was a girls' night in, just like smashing up rocks while listening to Elrond's counsel. Oh my god, that was tighter than expected. I guess the only frustrating thing about a supermoto though is like you've got the bike, but you haven't got the tire. Like you see an off-road track, but you haven't got the tires anymore. Oh, that was gravel. I just lost traction there. Yeah, at least, or it was like 3 stones in one vicinity. Yeah, there were 3 tiny stones, and I almost died. Hello, Sarah. Oh my god, I can't hear shit by the way, the wind. Oh my god. Holy fuck, that crosswind. Jesus. I could literally see you leaning and still going straight. It's fucking windy indeed, boy. Oh fuck, I wasn't close enough. Let me know if it's clear. Oh, by the way, we're actually pretty lucky up here. I was obviously down in England like last week, and their fuel in general is about 20p more. Yeah, I think it was like 169 for petrol. So I was like, ah. Well, it's salaried, so I guess I'll get my time back eventually. No. Why is it everyone that's salaried never gets their time back? I swear to God, I've never met anyone who like gets their time back. Like, I swear everyone I've met that's salaried always says, for fuck's sake, I need to try and get my time back, and then never does. Jesus Christ. Dude became a Frisby. Eggs! They don't even sell it. They just have it. Eggs! I'm in the wrong gear. That's a nice view right there. Oh. That's a nice view, yeah, man! Oh, fucking hell! Jesus Christ! No, it fucking flew right in front of me. Oh, fucking hell! I want my 250 quid from you being framed. Can you see how much battery is on there?
2 hours and 6, no, 28%.
28%, okay. You need to like rub it like a stick when you're trying to make a fire. Oh! Oh, you cheeky bastard! Oh, this is a bit of a depressing town, isn't it? Go into the toilets here, if there is. It's alright. Cool. Say cheese. Cheese doesn't smile at all. I think there are some spicy meatballs.